What is your assessment of budget 2023?
So budget 2023, I think the government is moving in the very right direction. We are becoming a global financial powerhouse. GDP numbers, we are the fastest growing economy. That is heartening. And uh, with this GDP growth, also what government is doing from 7.5 lakh crores, they have now moved the capex to 10 lakh crores. And if you see, even their spending. So the key to the budget would also be execution. And once this capex spend happens, what happens? It would propel the economy because the investments would happen. Your key sectors, cement and infrastructure, etc., would get up. Your infrastructure would be built, and this has been happening consistently in a growth phase over 3 years. They have touched in a very, very robust way. They are also touching the direct tax portion. They are decomplicating the tax structures, and you have a new regime, individual tax as well, more money in the hands of the taxpayer. So I think all across there is a consumer sentiment which will be fueled up. Rural, they are doing a lot of stuff. There's good allocation to railways. So the thought process of the government, you know, going across the sectors, trying to cover the rural. Again, lot of work happening on the top 50 cities, which would again, and again, also the mechanism in which it is. It is not just that the budget happened, there is a proper mechanism, all across the ministers, the chief ministers, etc., would be taking the budget through in the another 15 days. So we see a lot of professionalism in the way things are being managed and percolated. And even budget, the key is always execution. So the way they have executed over the previous years, we hope that it would be again a very good budget for us.
Last and a quick question, sir. How, we hear a lot about data science helping make decisions across segment. So how do you use data science to, come and inform decision?
So for us, I am not into consumer-led businesses, but in my previous stint, I was into consumer-led business. The data science is very key. We were into the ATM business, and what we were doing is through the data science, we had devised an AI model whereby we would be able to know what will be the cash requirement across the country. So data science is very important, and with AI and machine learning taking center stage, it's very important for us to take full advantage of it. And as our motive was that penetrate the cash any ATMs into the rural areas, provide the cash access to the rural people, and this tool, the enablement, and which is through data science, we were much more empowered to give the with the right information to have the right cash at the right location.